Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make this easy fortune teller at home. It is very easy to make and kids will love it. Now let's see how to make this fortune teller. Now for making this fortune teller you're going to need a blank piece of paper, a sketch pen. You can use a black sketch pen, a pen, a pencil, and 4 colored pencils of your choice. You can use whichever color you want. Now over here I've taken red, blue, green and yellow, but you can take anything. Now let's move on to making the fortune teller. First you're going to take your piece of paper and make it into a square. Now for making it into a square you're going to start off by folding the rectangle into a triangle. Now you're going to see some leftover part over here, which you're going to fold it backwards. It should be a nice crease. You can do it with your fingernails. Now I've got a nice crease over here. Now you're going to unfold this part and you can see looks like a square, so you're going to take off the leftover part and cut it off with your hands. You can see it's coming nicely and neatly because you folded a nice crease. Now you can keep this away and you're going to start off now. Now you're going to you're going to notice that you see a diagonal line on the square. Now you're going to do the same but on the opposite side. So you're going to take this corner and put it on over here. Now you're going to unfold it. Then you're going to fold it into half. Then unfold it. Now you're going to fold this part over here and fold it into half like this. Now you're going to unfold it and you're going to notice you got so many triangles over here. Now after you got these triangles, you're just going to take one end and you're going to make a fold to the center. And remember, these lines should not cross the creases which were made over here. If you make your creases more tight, it would be better because you can easily see the creases. Now you're going to fold that. Then you're going to fold it over here. Then again this over here. And finally this over here. Now you can see it's folded like this. Now after you do that, you're going to flip it over and fold this corner over here to the center. You can see there are lines over here. Now you're going to fold it to all the sides. Now your fortune teller is almost ready. You just need to make a few markings with your pencils and color pencils. Now you're going to see that you have 4 flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now before you take out the flaps, you're going to take your color pencils and color all 4 squares with a different color. Now I have colored all the sides, you can see. Now you're just going to take your black sketch pen and write the names of the colors on top of the squares. Now I've written all the names of the colors. Now you can flip it over and you can see there are flaps over here. Now you're going to take your pencil or pen and write the numbers on the flaps. Now I have written all the numbers over here. Now we are going to write something inside these triangles. Now I have written different names inside all these triangles. Now we are going to close this. Now your fortune teller is almost ready. You're just going to fold it into half. Then unfold it, fold it into half from the other side. Now after you fold it like that, you're going to see that these things, you're just going to press it like this, like that. You see, you're going to press it like that. Then you're going to pull this flap out. Push this in, pull this flap out, push it in like that. Now we are going to do it to all the sides. Now you see I've folded it like this. You can see spaces inside and you have to put 4 fingers inside. And for the 4th one, you can put 2 fingers or keep your other finger out. Now your fortune teller is ready. Now let me show you how to play this. Now you're going to take the fortune teller in your hands and put it in just like I told you. Now you're going to tell your friend to choose a color in this. I choose blue. Now you should count the number of letters in the color blue. Then you're going to do B, L, U, E. Now for yellow, for red it's like R, E, D. Now he got blue. Now you can see there are 4 options when you do like this. Now he has to choose any of these 4 options. Which one do you choose?
I choose 5.
Okay, now you're going to open the number that he chose and you should look inside. Your future says that you're going to become a president. Now that's how you play the game. It's very simple to make and it is very nice for kids. And thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.